Hello everyone. Welcome to IEEERAIT. We are back with another new video. So in today's video we will be making a solar tracking system using Arduino. As we know, solar power is the fastest growing means of renewable energy. The project is designed and implemented using simple dual axis solar tracking system. In order to maximize energy generation from sun, it is necessary to introduce solar tracking system into solar power system.
Before making a solar tracker, let's first learn what a solar tracker is. So, when sunlight incidents on the solar tracker, it starts calculating and comparing that from which direction the maximum intensity of sunlight is coming. After comparing, the panel above the system starts to move towards the maximum intensity so that the solar panel has the maximum intensity and makes the maximum power. This solar panel can rotate in all the directions. This built system has a calculated annual energy gain of 48.98% compared to an immobile solar panel. Now, let's see the working of tracking system. This system is powered by Arduino. Arduino is an open source microcontroller board. The board is equipped with a set of digital and analog input-output. Also, we use LDR, which is known as light dependent resistor. When the sunlight incidents the LDR, the resistor value of the LDR will decrease. It means it only controls the resistance by using light. Thus, it can detect the sunlight which will guide us to serve the motor. Along with the potentiometers are used to control the speed of servo motors.
So let's make the solar tracker. Now the circuit is completed. Let's upload the code on the Arduino. The code link will be given in the description. Now the code is uploaded. Let us simulate our circuit. As you can see that when we change the intensity of LDR, the servo motor starts moving. Well, that's all we have for you today. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, for more updates, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.